Hello and happy Christmas. Just a very quick message to say to all my old existing subscribers and the avalanche of new ones who've come on board since the last video. Thanks for tuning in, thanks for subscribing, and because we do Christmas here in the UK, happy Christmas as well. I must admit, I was quite surprised, pleasantly surprised, by the number of new people coming on board since that last video. I thought when I made it, I better just knock out a quick update video for my subscribers, let them know that I'm still here and I've got the van and I'm going to be doing some stuff. And then, for whatever reason, YouTube went ballistic and must have promoted it to everybody watching YouTube pretty much, because I got a deluge, about 4,000 new subscribers in the course of a month, and the video itself was viewed 50,000 times, something quite absurd anyway. A lot of people giving it the thumbs down, kind of, what is this nonsense? Anyway, if I'd known it was going to be that popular, I'd have spent possibly a little bit more time on it. It was just supposed to be a very quick update. If you watched it and you nonetheless clicked the subscribe button and held in there, thank you so much. Welcome along. And as I say, this is not a doing stuff on the van project, so maybe you're going to give it another thumbs down. It's just thanks for tuning in, thanks for subbing, and as I say, because it's Christmas time, happy Christmas as well. Looking forward to 2020 when I will crack on with all the van projects, and if we get nice days like today, blue skies and so on, going off on some van tours as well. But that's it for now. Have a great Christmas, happy New Year, and I will see you in 2020. Cheerio.